Gotta make sure. On your mark, get set, go!
Bubba did it!
I am to my knees. Oh! It's so gross. Oh! I'm not okay with this. Why are y'all still going?
I bet you I can go farther than that!
Oh, you can't even see him anymore. It's too dark. He's gonna get him.
He's too tired. Dakota, put Roman's face in the mud. Closer, you're like.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dakota, put his face in the mud. Why is he coming towards me? Hurry! I hate all of you. Get Rowan while he's still out there.
Hold on, let's see. Yeah, you're kind of caked.
Can I do it? No.
Uh-oh.
I want to do it.
Oh my gosh. That took so much energy. Don't do it. Put his face in it. Put his face in it. Yes! Yes! It's in my mouth!
Ah!
I can't get up. I can't get up. Here. Just take it like a man. Oh, God. You gotta be closer. Shoving his face in the camera. That wasn't fair. He just mud in my face. Eat dirt. I'm done. Game over.
See, I'm doing this perfectly, guys.
Cole should have ripped y'all. He probably wouldn't have sunk like anything.